Imagine a world where every single sound could decide your fate. A rustle in the grass, a distant growl, even the whisper of the wind. 3.7 million years ago, before fire, before weapons, before even the idea of safety, humans lived in a world ruled by killers. No houses, no tools, no second chances, just raw fear, and the will to survive. The African savannas stretched endlessly under a burning sun, alive with death. Saber-toothed cats prowled silently. Giant hyenas hunted in packs, tearing apart anything that moved. Leopards watched from the shadows, unseen, waiting for a single mistake. And in the middle of it all, a small band of early humans, fragile, weaponless, but determined. Every step they took could be their last. Every night could be their end. Skull fossils tell their brutal story, skulls crushed by predators, bones marked by claws, scenes frozen in time, proof that our ancestors lived face to face with extinction. But here's the twist, they didn't just survive because they were strong. They survived because they discovered something far greater, each other. Fire cooperation became humanity's first superpower. When danger struck, they didn't scatter. They stood together. One would shout a warning. Another would grab a child. Some distracted the beast, others led the group to safety. Each heartbeat became a signal. Each glance, a command. Together, they fought the darkness. Soon, simple tools appeared, jagged stones, sharp sticks, thorny branches used not by instinct, but by intelligence. These weren't just tools, they were the first sparks of strategy, of teamwork, of civilization. Feather fossil records now reveal more than bones, they reveal patterns of unity. Groups that cooperated lived longer. They passed on their instincts, to warn, to protect, to help. Over generations, those instincts shaped our minds. Empathy, language, and intelligence, all born from the fire of fear. Picture this, the sun dips below the horizon. Predators awaken. A group huddles together, mothers clutching children, the strong on the outside, alert, trembling but ready. A leopard moves in the grass, silent, unseen. Then, one sound breaks the silence, a warning call. The group moves as one, like a single living organism. A stone is thrown, another shout, the predator hesitates, and humanity wins another night. Each victory wasn't just survival, it was evolution. A shared glance became communication. A warning cry became the first language. Fear became wisdom. Instinct became culture. Brain, every time you feel the urge to help someone, to warn, to protect, that's your ancient DNA whispering across millions of years. It's the echo of those who refused to die alone. It's the spirit of the first humans who learned that together, we are unstoppable. They didn't just survive the predators of the wild. They conquered fear itself, and in doing so, they built the foundations of everything we are today. So next time you hear a story of bravery, unity, or sacrifice, remember, it began here, 3.7 million years ago, when humanity learned the meaning of together. And if this story made you imagine that ancient world, sunrise, subscribe now. Because every time you do, you help us uncover more hidden truths about who we are, where we came from, and how we survived the impossible. Stay curious, stay human, and see you in the next story, where the past comes alive.